In this video, we are going to cover how to update the module firmware for the FL5000 display, starting with why and when you would need to update this module firmware. Only display modules with firmware version 2.12 and higher are supported with the FUELINK5 controller. For this reason, anything lower will require a firmware update to allow for display detection. Within the user interface, when going to detect the system, you may get an error that says module detection failed. You can watch the displays during power up, or within the user interface, you can run the test pattern for firmware version to view the module firmware on the display and verify the compatibility. So how do you update the module firmware? A supporting version of display firmware comes pre-packaged with the FUELINK5 controller. To load it, navigate to the configuration and then select Display and click the Bootload Mod firmware within the user interface. This update will take up to 7 minutes per client radio, and the progress for each client will be shown in the status window. The update for each client will happen sequentially and start the percentage progress over again for each one. The display network currently being updated will blank content and show steady or pulsing lights on each module within the display. If the displays revert to showing price content prior to 100% file transfer, then the update process has failed and will need to be reattempted. Repositioning of the server radio during this update to assist with the file transfer may be required. All display networks will be updated on each bootload attempt. Once the update is complete, you should be able to detect the systems and now see the displays being detected within the user interface. And that wraps up how to update the module firmware for an FL5000 display.